Alluring web design. Our take is that a 2D website by itself is just like a fax machine or an 8-track tape. It's getting harder and harder to compete with just a static, brochure type of style website. How can you afford to stand still when you're competing against companies that have immersive websites that consist of their own 3D worlds and cultures? Don't be stagnant, move forward. If you don't fight back, you'll give your competition the opportunity to develop deeper relationships with your customers. You'll be allowing your customers a chance to connect with new products in new and intriguing ways and risk that they decide to choose another solution. A regiment of creators. We work with a multitude of craftspeople to make inventive virtual reality applications that can be experienced via the internet. We interpret our main purpose as a responsibility to exceed expectations and assist your company in achieving its goals. We can build it for you. It doesn't matter the particular discipline is, if your special project requires the use of an animator, illustrator, 3D artist, musician, or more, we've got you covered. The main constrictive impediment for us to establishing a virtual kingdom for you is your amount of funding along with all of our collective imaginations. VR in advertising. Enhance the memorability of your company with the use of web-based virtual reality advertising campaigns, as well as build a stronger connection with your consumers, and distinguish your company from your competitors. Additionally, inform your clients about your services in detail by incorporating web-based VR into your advertising efforts. Branding in VR. Why don't you choose to be a trendsetter and the first in your industry to seize the future, or watch as virtual worlds spring up all around you which entice your clients to begin researching for merchandise options there? For as little as 99 cents we can help you build an ocean of distance between you and your nearest competitor. Alluring web design. We are strong believers that a two-dimensional website all by itself is like an 8-track tape, or a lot like a fax machine. The times where you can have a static booklet type of website are getting harder to locate. How can you stand still if your competition makes the decision to construct a website that is like an immersive world that has its own culture? Don't be stagnant, move forward. If you don't fight back, you'll give your competition the opportunity to develop deeper relationships with your customers. You will be allowing your customers to interact with other products in new and interesting ways and risk that they end up trying a different solution instead of going with yours.